Kumwe Hub is an African-based impact innovation hub engaging technology and business sectors to amplify impact for children and families in education, health, and protection. From investing in local mission-aligned social enterprises, we are bringing together innovation and impact investment across Africa. Our aim is to maximize and direct new technologies to solve some of the biggest problems facing children in Africa today. With our very first social innovation open call in Rwanda, we are supporting impact and change for children through funding social enterprises that are targeting education and literacy. Do you have a solution for any of the toughest problems facing children today? If you do, we want to hear from you. We are calling all child-focused entrepreneurs that are working to improve the availability, distribution, access, and the use of Kinyarwanda children books and reading in homes and communities throughout Rwanda. At the end of this call, we will offer funds to 3 social enterprises to pilot their innovations. Submit your applications before 31st of July 2021 to be considered. Turi kumwe.